Yes, guys, Lex Olowo here again, and I'm super excited to have you here. So, in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to change your payment method on Facebook. Now, some of you are having issues with Facebook and you're stuck with one payment method. You're trying to make payment, it's not working. Sometimes it gets you to the point where the payment is unsuccessful. Sometimes the payment method is not just going through, and this has been giving you a lot of issue. Right? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your payment method. So let's go into it. Now, if you have a default payment method on your Facebook ads, the truth is your default payment method is probably in dollars, which is the default currency of Facebook. Now, if you are trying to pay with your local cards and it's giving you issue, there is only one amazing thing you can do. And what is that thing you can do? The simple thing you can do is to do exactly this. Now, look at my screen. You're just going to go to your Facebook account. Let me quickly open your ads manager. So you're going to go to your ads manager. Now, once you get to your ads manager, so let's say, for example, this is the account I have. I'm coming. So let's say, for example, I have this account and I'm making payment and the payment is not working. The simple solution to get this done is just to go to where you see All Tools. Now you're going to click on All Tools, then you're going to go to where you see Business Settings. Now, inside of your business settings, what you want to do is to create a ad account. Now, you cannot change the payment method of an existing ad account. However, you can open multiple ad accounts inside of a single Facebook account and you can run ads on the new ad account. So which means that all you just have to do to start paying Facebook again is to simply open a prepaid ad account. All you just have to do is to do this. So you come here, you click on ad account, right? And once you click on ad account, it's going to load, and then you have, so on this account, I have multiple ad accounts. So I'm just going to click on this one and see, I'm going to be able to create a new ad account. Now let me take it back for you. Like, for example, you probably don't have an existing ad account. So let me just take it back to where you can see how to do it yourself. So if you come here, you click on this, and you go to business settings, right? If it loads to business settings, right, you are going to, when you click on ad account, you're going to see a pop-up in the middle here where it says add, right? Once you click on that, it's going to take you to where you can create a new ad account. Now, once you create that new ad account, you can use the new ad account to pay in your local currency, and you're not going to have any issues with paying for your Facebook ads. So that's a simple way to change the payment method on your Facebook account. So guys, if you're having any issues with Facebook ads, your ad account has been banned, you don't know how to make payments, you cannot navigate your way around it, you're finding it difficult to do your targeting right, and any of these things, right? What I do is I fix Facebook ads for people, right? So all you just have to do is to go to the description of this video. There's going to be a link that is going to take you to my website where I can attend to you one-on-one. Yes, I charge for these services, but then the charges are very, very affordable, and I give a lot of results when I handle your ad account and help you fix everything, all the issues that you have. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, all you just have to do is click on the link in the description, and this will take you to my website where you can hire me and my team to fix your ads for you. So if this is what you want to do, go ahead and do that. So guys, thank you for staying to the end of this video. This is Lex Olowo again. And if you're yet to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel. I teach a lot about how to make money online, how to do Facebook ads, everything about Facebook ads, and how to get customers online generally. It's what I do on this channel. So go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you in my next video.